but brightening up over the weekend it should be sunny, and it's partially sunny, becoming full sun in a couple of days' time. So if you're going to the airplane, a good time, just getting our air traffic control clearance, we'll be on our way in just a minute or two.
All handheld devices, including mobile phones, must now be in flight safe mode or switched off and held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. During the flight, all electronic devices must be disconnected from the seat power when not in use. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time.
We're now going to explain the emergency procedures on this British Airways aircraft.
The life jacket is fitted with a light and a whistle. Your oxygen mask is behind the panel just above your head. If the cabin air system should fail, such as laptops, must be safely stowed at these times. Any transmitting devices without a flight safe mode must be switched off for the duration of the flight. For further information on using electronic devices in flight, please check High Life magazine. Take care your hand baggage isn't blocking the exits or aisles. Personal bags must be put under the seat in front of you, and larger items should be placed securely in the overhead locker. Please place all items in carefully, so they do not fall out and cause injury. As this is a no smoking service, the no smoking signs will remain on for the duration of the flight. As we prepare for takeoff, please make sure that your tray table is put away, your seat is upright, and your armrest is down. Please stow your individual video screen and footstool if you have them. Finally, take a look at the safety card in the seat pocket. If you have any questions, please ask your crew. We hope you have a relaxed and enjoyable flight.
Istid. Collision course, kanske skulle säga det. Jason, ja, där fan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the charges given by the flight crew are a final reminder we're just about to take off. Could you please check once again your seatbelts are securely fastened in preparation for takeoff? Thank you. very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roberta Montini. I'm the cabin service director on board this flight to Los Angeles. I would like to have my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and one-word frequent flyers. If there's anything we can do to make you more comfortable, please let us know. We recommend it.
Hả? Là ít tới mình học đó. Đâu rồi?
Lux.
Bakpotet eller? Lux i bakpotet.
Ja. Fish and chips.
LAX.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles, where the local time here is 7:30 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Los Angeles and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It's been our pleasure to look after you, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and good evening.
Ja.
Og det er 269.
Ja. Er det hotellet i Røs?
Ja. Ja, da er det kun passen.
Det blir dyrt å bruke data sånn her nå i...
Ja, det må du ikke gjøre.
Hæ?
Det må du ikke gjøre.
Nei.
Skru av data og roaming.
Ja.
Okay, doors to disarm and cross-check.
Sånn. Da er det kun fastlandet som skal inn. Her får du opp. Så der var det en caps. Pass på at vi har med alt nå.
Ja, med alt sånn.
Må passe litt også.
Ja.
Ja.